The way that they wish me bad and my life just they go front and they beat us and they buy car. You understand? But I can't know today why people they jealous me. But they say I mean they jealous them. Oh guy, you won't do DNA test to check whether you be fella picky. You won't be fella picky. There are many people I don't clash with. And I've not been wrong about anybody.
My people. Seun Kuti continues to mock Verydarkman as he shows off his massive mansion he's built in the heart of Lekki. Okay guys, this is crazy. Seun Kuti says that Verydarkman is jealous of him, that he is jealous because he is Fela's son. And that is why he's pained that he wants to be Fela's son so bad. But unfortunately, he is not. That he even want to go and do DNA test to check if he's Fela's son. Seun Kuti shows off his massive mansion he's building in the heart of Lekki as he was seen laughing and smiling about it. Verydarkman and Seun Kuti, these two are two good close friends before. And all of a sudden, the whole thing turned from little banters on turn full-blown war between the two. Do you feel like these two people will ever come back together? Because to me, I feel like these two people are very strong voices when it comes to Nigeria, and they love Nigeria so much and they want to see Nigeria better. Seun Kuti has been the voice speaking for a very long time, and Verydarkman comes, and Verydarkman is not just all about the voice but also with action. But at the end of the day, do you think that this is best? What is best for the youth? Because at the end of the day, the youth are supposed to be united because we have one common enemy. But all this issue is becoming too much at the end of the day. Listen to what happened.
Our house is nice.
Why are you lying?
It's a rooftop for me.
Because you're afraid of what I'm going to see.
Yes, sir. This is our house, right?
Yes, yeah.
Our house. So, come inside our house. Our house is so nice. Oh my God.
You're not coming to December.
Are you sure this is a hotel or a house?
You're not coming to
This is hotel. It's lounge hotel area. Oh, look at all the ACs.
Look
at house now. I need something good. It's not my look. It's not my look. This is all.
Okay.
This is a pool. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I can't wait. This time it's a pool.
Come on. In our analysis of Nigeria so far, there are many people I don't clash with, and I've not been wrong about anybody. Nobody can come and say I've been wrong about anybody. And I've never done it, make anybody like me or make anybody take near me. You understand? But I can't know today why people they jealous me. But they say I mean they jealous them. Oh guy, you won't do DNA test to check whether you be fella picky. You won't be fella picky. I don't say make I tell you something. I don't say make I no lie. Myself, I nobody good finish. I don't say even though I sing with Odubo do Black. Say everybody gay, but all my men they good finish. Nobody they good finish. I know, say me, ma. I make being fella's child very annoying. The way I carry myself with pride. The way I carry myself, you know, the way that they wish me bad and my life just they go front and they beat us and they buy car. You know what I say? They travel the world. My music they blow everywhere. I'm not saying they pay Luna. I understand. That one is my fault. That one is 100% my fault. The way I never succumb. Where did they call all this to the oppressor or Egbon? Where did they shake follow anybody? In a vessel, who this shit say this? I don't say that one day inside. That one is on me. I take it. But I don't know say rich level where we say you walk out to fella like you be waiting. Oh God, go sit down. Fella don't bore anybody like you dey crazy. Easy. Where they want be fella picking. He say it don't go better for you. Bro. Na Verydarkman. He said if you do DNA test, go they should say that go get the fella blood inside. Really. So that's the problem. That's your problem. That's your own jealousy part. You won't be fella picky. You won't be fella picky. Never, bro. Never. You are not one of us. You know, the blood don't be like this. You know, they create people like this. You know, they create manipulators. So, now let me respond to you directly about your debate. I take it serious. But you know, reach to carry me go Jos or Bayelsa now. Do I look like one of your rats? We go, let's go to Bayelsa. This is 2026. Now, as I sit down like this, if you are willing, you don't need to go to Bayelsa. The whole world can log in and watch it on Instagram, on Zoom, on because of that, even call Twitter X. We don't need to move. I don't move unless I have to. But on the 22nd, I'm moving for MOP, straight to court, to jam INEC. We are there. We are moving. At this stage, like the kind of movement where we they move be that. Exactly. I'm not looking for clouds. I'm not looking to go and chook my nose in every matter. So that people can give me money. You don't have a job now. Bro, you don't have a job. Verydarkman, you don't have a job. I still tell you that is your greatest flaw. The greatest flaw in all these things you are doing. You say you no get work.
Exactly.
It's to say you get work. There's no way you will be more about the progress, not the clouds. Because you will not have time to chase clouds. I get work. I've just traveled around the world. I've been Australia, I've been New Zealand. I can't come Lagos because I want to go Jos and Bayelsa because of Verydarkman. No, I have a job that pays me. Just say you get work. I swear, 85% of the children you know what they do. It is your joblessness. It is your joblessness. You are jobless. That's just the bottom line. So I accept your debate. Give us time, give us date. If you are serious, we can do it online. Yeah, I don't need to travel anywhere to meet your punk ass.
To help you.
What did you do?
To help you.
To educate him. See, listen, there's no debate, but it's an education, bro. Because John Henry Clark don't talk am. You know, my mate is my mate. The rest I teach. Now teach, I won't teach you if you accept. Let me teach you publicly. As I have been teaching you privately. You want me? I'll teach you publicly. Let's do this. Pick a date, pick a time. All this your Jos and Bayelsa where they talk now, cop out. Because now every day you do online, you do video for Instagram. One cop out. Let's do it. Now here matter day. Now here we start matter. I mean, now for Bayelsa we start matter. Now for Jos we start matter. Now for Zamfara, I mean, now Kogi we start matter. Now here we go do one. Now where we start matter we go do one. Yeah? Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Are you ready? If you are ready, talk the date. Talk anytime from Tuesday, except Wednesday. Wednesday I'm in court with INEC. You know, apart from Wednesday, pick any day. Let's go, bro. If you're really ready, it's not be your usual manipulation and clouds. Where you define. Don't mind them. I want Mugu.